Hey people, so as of yesterday, I was watching a little of this movie called Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, and it stars Leonardo DiCaprio and Brad Pitt and Al Pacino and all these. It's been directed by uh, Tarantino, Quentin Tarantino. So he's one of the greatest Italian movie directors. So this movie is available on Amazon Prime, and y'all should watch it just for this. The director himself, Tarantino, says that for him it was a casting coup, to pull off, getting Leonardo DiCaprio and Brad Pitt in his film. So it's set in 19 it revolves around this 1969. There was a Charles Manson murder, that took place in 1969 in Hollywood, and that is it's against this backdrop that this movie is made. So it's all set in 1969, that era. So really, people, it's a very interesting film, and you can watch it on Amazon Prime. Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.